Good evening, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I want to solve the daily cipher on hamster combat for today. So let me open my hamster combat. So this is it. For you to enable the daily cipher, you need to tap on this N per taps. You tap on that 3 times, like this. 1 2 3 times, but you're doing it directly here. So watch me. 1 2 3, and then you get this. To turn it off, 1 2 3, you can see where I'm tapping this N per taps. 1 2 3, it's on. 1 2 3, it's off. So the word for today is Web3, as in WEB and number 3. So this is the, this is the Morse code. This is the Morse code where you get the codes to input the words. So we're going to do it one after the other. For W, it is 1 dot and that's 1 tap and 2 hold. 1 tap and 2 hold. So I'll go back to my hamster combat. One tap and 2 hold. That will give me letter W. Okay, now go back for letter E. That's 1 tap. 1 tap. It gives me letter E. Now go back to find letter B. That's hold and 3 taps. Hold and 3 taps. Okay, if you miss it, that means you need to start again. So we're going to start over from W. 1 tap, 2 hold. 1 tap, 2 hold. Then the letter E, 1 tap. Then the B, 1 hold and 3 taps. 1 hold, 3 taps. So that gives me B. Then number 3, 3 taps and 2 hold. 3 taps and 2 hold. And that gives me the 3. And then you take the price, 1 million. So that's how you solve the daily cipher. I can turn this off and tap this out. So if you want me to send the Morse code chat to you via WhatsApp, check the description of this video and join the WhatsApp group. Join my WhatsApp group, you'll find the code there. You can always find even the word every day. It's being posted on the group. So join, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.